Right, that's it. Steinhoff. Let's move on to another European player. And this one we added because our producer was talking about how she liked Philips. What are we doing? What about Philips? It sounded like a company with some interesting technology. So the full name of this one is Koninklijke Philips NV. The NV stands for, I don't know, it's the equivalent of PTY Limited in Dutch, okay? Remember what this thing is. It's a combination of healthcare company with some quite high-end scanners and other medical equipment of the sort that you'll find in surgeries and hospitals. It's got a consumer lifestyle unit, which is where they sell things like electric shavers. I have one myself. It's a fabulous product. I love that thing. And also lighting and related products. Remember, Philips has always been a big player in light bulbs. Of course, there are the energy efficient ones now, which are much better to put in than the old LEDs and the fancy old, burning lamp type ones that we know use a lot of electricity. Market capitalization, $24.4 billion US. It's principally listed in the Netherlands, but it has an ADR which trades in New York, and that's the way we picked up that it has a $24 billion market cap. So roughly the same size as Steinhoff. Price to earnings ratio very high, 133.3. Dividend yield, though, quite good at 3.5%. The high price to earnings ratio is a reflection of the fact that it's had very choppy profitability in recent times. It has spun off a couple of units. It has shut down a little bit of production. Remember, they still do a lot of manufacturing in Europe, and that is a concern for them. Let's have a look at the share chart. You'll see what I mean. Up and down, and over a longer period, it looks even more bumpy than that. The chart I was looking at over a 10-year period shows a multitude of hills, not dissimilar to that one. It gets to an all-time high of about $45 back in 2007. Since then, it's been a very choppy ride. I would say, it's possible. It's a turnaround situation. Maybe there's something going on. If you go and visit their website, you'll certainly be impressed by the range of products and the positive, cheerful comments from the CEO. But I would say, even though Europe is rebounding and that is potentially good for them, it's difficult for a company like this with the manufacturing activities to compete effectively with the Asians, who are demons for revenue and are prepared to do deals and cut prices and scale up their manufacturing, whereas Philips has consistently tried to remain profitable and sometimes battled to do so. Good products, good company. Share price for me, not hot currently. Good.